Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Docker desktop running and VS Code installed with Docker and remote containers extensions. Once done, open your project folder in VS Code. You need a Docker file and a Docker ignore to define build context and avoid unwanted files. Now create a simple Docker file. Choose a base image, copy source, install dependencies, and set the default command. This first step gets the container definition in place, so you can build and run from the editor quickly. Next, build and run the image from inside VS Code. Open the command palette, run Docker, build image, then Docker, run to verify the container boots. For smooth development, create a dev container folder with dev container. JSON. This tells VS Code how to start a development container, mount your workspace, and forward ports. Make sure to mount source for live edits, and set up tasks or an integrated terminal to execute builds and tests inside the container. So you replicate. Finally, tag and push your image to a registry when ready. Docker login, Docker tag, Docker push. This shares your build. Make sure volume mounts, environment variables, and port mappings are correct before deploying. If something breaks, inspect container logs and the VS Code remote containers logs. The Docker desktop dashboard also shows status and resource usage. As a quick troubleshooting tip, rebuild with no cache and verify file permissions, volume paths, and port conflicts to resolve the most common failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.